Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, March 23rd, 2022. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum quoted to US Tether. This is of course the stable coin. We are looking at the daily time frame chart with the Japanese candlesticks. I will be using the technical analysis in this video, the classical technical analysis together with the Elliott wave theory. So what do we have here on the chart? As you probably notice, we have a B, C, D, E technical pattern. It looks like a triangle to me, and as we are sure, this triangle pattern is of course a continuation pattern, but we have to ask ourselves the question, continuation of what? Basically, this kind of pattern occurs on the chart when the previous trend or the trend in the background had been exhausted, and we have a new horizontal trend that is about to be terminated, and then the old trend will be continued. So in our case, the high at the level of 4,865 made at the end of the last year, end of the November last year, it was the starting point of this corrective decline towards the level of 2,160. So that was a kind of a nice decline, over 50%. So this is our main short-term trend, and the triangle is a counter trend correction. So this is a horizontal correction in form of a triangle. So we should expect this market to continue to the downside as soon as this pattern is completed. Of course, we should expect the market to continue to the downside. The question is always whether the wave E of the triangle had been completed, right? So we don't know that yet. We can only speculate that possibly this pattern looks completed, and we should prepare ourselves for another wave to the downside. Where is the target for bears? Well, it looks like the target is the technical support, the key long-term technical support, which is located at 1,712, 1,648. This is the target zone, just between those two levels. For now, the RSI, which is the momentum indicator, remains positive, remains above the level of 50, which means the bulls are still in control of this market. However, as soon as the market goes lower, for example, towards this line here, the lower triangle line, we might see some sort of the test of the level of 50, which is neutral level, and then breakout to the downside, which would likely show a weakness on the chart as well. Please remember, this is a daily time frame chart, which means it's kind of important for the traders. Plenty of traders look at this chart for clues. Plenty of traders look at this particular time frame for clues. So if there is an aggressive dynamic sell-off in the direction of the arrow, then of course we have some supports on the road. So what do we have? 2,450 lows of the wave D, 2,294 lows of the wave B, and the key technical support for now, 2,163, the lows from the end of the January 2022. So our technical analysis tells us that the Ethereum might complete this pattern, the triangle pattern, or as the classical traders call it, a pennant pattern. And then if there is a fail to rally higher, especially above the wave A high at 3,264, then the market might reverse dynamically and go way lower. Okay, so this is our scenario for the coming days. Any violation of the level of 3,264 would invalidate this triangle pattern and this scenario as well, and that would mean that would be this that would be the bottom of the recent sell-off. So the level of 2,164 would be the key technical support instead of 1,712, for example. Okay, so this is my scenario for the next weeks. This is my scenario for Ethereum to the Tether. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.